Welcome to B-State. We coach businesses on change management that produces business results and culture change at the same time. What can you expect? Predictable, measurable results in 4 to 6 months. Projects complete 25% faster. Revenue, customer satisfaction, and margins increase. High-performance team habits that hold up under pressure. A team system that sustains and responds to your business drivers. Our method is outcome-driven, not process-driven. No lengthy assessment, no personal inventory, and no wasted time. So, book a 10-minute discovery call. I assure you, it's not a sales call. It is simply a discovery call to learn more.